Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 5, leçon I. And in this lesson, so it will be a short one as well, we will discover together the passé composé form of the verb aller. Aller is to go, okay? And remember that aller is one of the tricky verbs in at the passé composé form because it will use être and not avoir as most of the verbs. Okay, so that's the reason why here you will have the form je suis allé. Okay, and then you can make the liaison here. Je suis allé. Je suis allé. Tu es allé. Tu es allé. Il est allé. Il est allé. You've got this little liaison between the two. Il est allé. Feminine form. Elle est allée. Okay, so have a look here. Remember, if you don't know that already, then I would advise you to check the lesson on the passé composé that we did previously. Okay, so you've got to add this feminine mark at the end of your participe passé here, just because elle is feminine, and then you're using this être verb to construct the passé composé. That's the reason why. Phonetically, it doesn't exist. You don't pronounce it, so you get elle est allée, and then for the masculine form, il est allé. So aller is pronounced the same way, but still you have to write it. Okay. Same thing that if you get to put the plural form, then you will have to add this s mark of the plural at the end of your participe passé form here. Okay. Nous sommes allés. You don't pronounce it. Okay, but you write it. Nous sommes allés. Vous êtes allés. Vous êtes allés. Same thing here. You put it, but you don't pronounce it. And then here, masculine form. Ils sont allés. So masculine plural. You put this S. Ils sont allés. Little liaison between the two. Ils sont allés. Elles sont allées. Feminine and plural here. Okay, S, you don't pronounce them, but still you've got to write them. And then this little liaison here. Elles sont allées. Okay, so let me repeat the whole thing for you. Je suis allé. Tu es allé. Il est allé. Elle est allée. Nous sommes allés. Vous êtes allés. Ils sont allés. Elles sont allées. Remember it by heart, s'il vous plaît. If you do, then next lesson is here, and then more material can be found at this address. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.